Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Our topic today is the argumentative essay. And of course, with any essay, the first thing we need to do is to interpret the question. Try to analyze what they want from us and make sure we give them what they want. That's what the first step is. Interpreting the question. Always very essential before you answer any essay. And today we have our question, and the question goes like this. Society cannot progress without man changing the environment. If we are to develop, it means we must cut down a few trees to build industries. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? This bottom line asks us to take a side. Are we going to agree or disagree with this statement? So we are asked to make an argument, to give our belief or our position on this statement. So let's take a look at our question. What I like to do is essentially read a question and underline the main words, the words that they want us to focus on. So let's take a look at that. Society cannot progress. Big word here, progress. So I'll underline that. Without man changing the environment. Two big words again, changing an environment. If we are to develop, another word, develop, it means we must cut down a few trees to build industries. Here, industries. So let's see if we can focus on these main words to unlock what the question is asking. Society. We all live in a society. We are a group of people, and they're saying that we as a group of people can't progress. What does progress mean? Well, if we progress in school, it means we get better. We grow. So to progress simply means to get better or to grow. Okay? And if you look at the question, we have progress here and develop. They say the same thing. We can't get better, they're saying, unless we do something. We can't develop. Develop means the same thing. Get better. So essentially, progress and develop are saying the same things. So how are they saying we can get better? Well, they are saying that we can get better by changing. Changing meaning taking what we have and remaking it. And what do we have? We have the environment. And the environment here is linked to trees. Because they're saying if we are to develop or get better, it means we must cut down a few trees, which is linked to the environment. So the environment refers to trees. And what are we going to change this environment to? Well, we're going to change it to one of industry, making it industrial, putting down factories to make things, be it food, clothing, whatever. So essentially, what this question is saying is that for us as a people to get better, it means that we need to change what we have now, our environment, by cutting down the natural environment, trees and lush forests and so on, and instead putting down industries. So we are asked to take a side. Are we going to be arguing for the environment? In which case we are saying, no, don't cut down all the trees. Leave the environment as it is. Or are we going to agree with this statement, with this question, and say, yes, we need to cut down some trees. We need to build factories. We need food. We need clothing. We have to take a side. Okay? So that's the first step in our essay planning, interpreting the question, trying to figure out what the question requires, and answering this question. Thank you for choosing PTI, BetterGradesFast.com. See you soon.